Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to do question number 3. So let us start. The diagram shows a solid cone and a solid hemisphere. The cone has a radius 2.4 centimeters and a slant height 6.3 centimeters. The hemisphere has radius r centimeter. The total surface area of the cone is equal to the total surface area of the hemisphere. So calculate the value of r. So before we go further, let us try to understand what the total surface area of the cone would be. Would be the curved surface area of the cone plus area of the base. So this is equal to pi r L plus pi r square, and it is given that L is equal to 6.3 centimeters and r is equal to 2.4 centimeters. Okay, so this is equal to pi into 2.4. This is common, so this is pi r into r plus L. 2.4 plus 6.3, so this is pi into 2.4 into this is equal to 8.7 in centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the cone. Now come to this hemisphere. So they have given that the curved surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. So for the hemisphere, the curved surface area would be 2 pi r square, and this base would be r square, pi r square. So the TSA of the hemisphere, so if you are writing in the main exam hall, then please write total surface area, don't write TSA, is equal to CSA of hemisphere plus again area of the base, which is a circle. So this would be half of 4 pi r square, which is the curved surface area of the sphere, plus pi r square. So this is 2 pi r square plus pi r square, which is 3 pi r square. So now from the question, it is given that the TSA of the cone is equal to TSA of the hemisphere. So pi into 2.4 into 8.7 is equal to 3 pi into r square. So let us start solving this. Now pi and pi will get cancelled. Sorry, it's not 3, it is pi. So r square would be equal to 2.4 into 8.7 divided by 3. And so this value, this will go in this 0.8 times, and 0.8 into 8.7 is 6.96. So this is the value of r square. So the value of r would be square root of 6.96 centimeter, and this would be equal to 2.63818119 and so on. And now what I can do is I can round it off to 2 decimal places and say that this is either 2.638 centimeter or it is either 664 centimeters, because 8 is greater than or equal to 5, 3 will become 4. So what is 2.63 will become 2.64. So one of those two values. You can cut it at any point and both answers are correct. Okay, so let us go to part B. So this is also a similar question, but there is a small twist here. So the diagram shows a solid cone with radius 7.6 centimeters and height 16 centimeters. A cut is made parallel to the base of the cone and the top section is removed. The remaining solid has height 12 centimeters as shown in the diagram. Calculate the volume of the remaining solid. Okay, so we can see that the cut solid, the removed cone, is similar because it is taken from this part, is similar to the original cone. So for the original cone, for the big cone, what is the height? Height is 16 centimeters and radius is 7.6 centimeters. For the small cone, We know that height is equal to 16 minus 12, which is equal to 4 centimeters. R is equal to how much? So what can I say? So therefore, R by 7.6 is equal to 4 by 16. That implies R is equal to 4 by 16 into 7.6. That is equal to 1.9 centimeter. So therefore, volume of removed cone would be equal to pi into 1.9 whole square 1 by 3 pi r square h. So pi into 1.9 whole square into 4. And so the volume of the remaining cone, so we need not actually write out the volume of the removed cone. Remaining cone would be equal to the volume of big cone, and let us write volume of original cone. We can write it as 1 by 3 into pi into r square into h. So 7.6 whole square into 16. So volume of remaining cone is this volume, the bigger volume, minus this smaller volume, 1.9 whole square into 4. So this will be equal to pi by 3 into pi by 3 is common for both. 7.6 whole square into 16 is equal to 924.16 minus 1.9 whole square into 4 is 14.44. So this is equal to pi by 3 into 924.16 minus 14.44 is 909.72. And if I calculate the value, substituting the value of pi, so this will be centimeter cube because it is volume. This will turn out to be 952.6565562 and so on. And now if I split it at two decimal points, the answer would be 952.66 centimeter cube, and this completes the question. So it's a pretty simple question, but you need to understand this part. Once you take out the smaller cone from the larger cone, they both are mathematically similar. Not the remaining cone, the cone that is removed. And from there you can find this radius, because without this radius you cannot calculate the volume of the first law. Okay, so this completes the question. Let us meet in another video.